Cheerful Ascendaba and there Meniaje send me a gun any a cheerful Sisiana Eba breaking news and they say the hip hop awards BET Sako dear winning. Answer never to us and subscribe and click the notification bell on this. We understand latest news be about one sa Ebeka. A cheerful Meniaje papa. The BET Hip Hop Awards 2019, Sarkodie has won it. For I am very happy. I am very happy as a Ghanaian today. Hey. Oh. Just say me name the American. For me name the American say, but me niaje papa say Sarkodie e winning because social. This even shows this is the biggest ever. This even shows because this is the biggest ever any African artist has been nominated. Back on now, Stonebwoy winning now, and also Sarkodie winning no, and no a BET Awards, but where a BET Hip Hop Awards. You know him say about America, one more and one more hip hop about. This is the first time a woman BM Ama an African like Sarkodie has ever been nominated because hip hop no free America for the whole into to the extent say we mobile recognize it will be our free outside America. Now we modern no account what to say Sarkodie na Sarkodie so winning it for this is the biggest ever. Into mania GA says Sarkodie we winning mania GA pan says Sarkodie we winning. Now I'm taking a memory and a trip back in 2008, as far back as 2008, the first time I heard of Sarkodie, Mbra Vuje. That be Sarkodie. The first time I heard of him, I think it was around 2006, because that time no na menso me watema. Na that time no na Sarkodie ni nyaketwa a your friend experiment. Na school na me kono watai eba ho. Into oba ho na wo rap Sarkodie ne raps ni bi etreye. That time no na Sarkodie ye ni aye nim nenim ba na yate ne dinda. Na tema wo bia wo tema bia that time no na wo bia te Sarkodie din. 2008 ena wo babo ntia ye ni aye te Sarkodie na ngasa woni because that time no na kwa kese a very big artist. That time so na kwa kese wo tema. Inti na kwa kese feature Sarkodie ene edema ibe. That time no munya wo munya big musicians. Na kwa kese pena na we are the biggest musician ever in Ghana. And the first time a Ghana phone say a branch be your friend Sarkodie what the new star be by. Na ye da nyankopon ase say that time na ya ye watermania no ye so ni mu e piano. Ema ende Sarkodie abedane Sarkodie na ye ni aye hu no. I am very excited. I am very, very, very excited. Therefore, I am extremely excited. Sarkodie has won the BET Hip Hop Awards 2019. Sarkodie once again has set the record in Ghana. Sarkodie has once again set this record. Therefore, yenda nyankopon ase. We dear mesre and that time ye be ba say o Ufri campo intino wo be ka say tia dabi. This is greatness. This is greatness. BET Hip Hop Awards, the first time ever an African is winning, and it's the first time ever a Ghanaian is also winning. What you say now? Sarkodie co stage ko kasa wakasa ye mbrofofo ni nyantem and a Sarkodie nanti co stage and a wako kasa wakasa ye party for wakasa ye wako catch wo mo say wo mo bra back to Africa, wo mo take a trip back to Africa. Na Akon etina ho and a Sarkodie ka say shout out to Akon because him say Akon e ye den kra wonim Sarkodie ka say shout out to Akon e ho na Sarkodie ni o mo kasa no ka say wo mo bra back to Africa na Africa no mo mu hu ne say sebe e ye land bia e ye foreign land na sebe mbrofo for because him say wo ko abrochi a hip hop no e be before no na e just be before no mo bra back to Africa na e ye mo land. Oh, I'm very happy. I am very happy. Sarkodie wins BET Hip Hop Awards Best International Flow. And there am ne wo kasa sisiei wo ko Twitter. Sarkodie is trending at number 1. Sisiana story in by breaking news. Sisiana by Sarkodie is trending at number 1. Obi say congratulations King Sack. Sarkodie keep taking African far. African rap. Sisia there. Me to me the menses me bo aka say number 1 best another best African rapper. Sarkodie number 1. I don't care. The best African rapper Sarkodie, he is number 1. Sisia me to me the menses me bo aka sa. Now what share in summer air barbonting from Samsung and go far say one more air congratulate Sarkodie. Rebecca say yes. We say congrats to Sarkodie. We live to hear him rap winning about the BT award again. Now it's for him the end. Embra Sarkodie rap it. What shall say we rap it will tree. In go for can when they say rap it will brofumu. Now rap it will tree more won't feel go do be the for wa rap it will tree at the akwaje hip hop. Assemble won't chase you. Wa rap it will tree at the akwaje hip hop awards. Awards are said be brofo omo rap it will brofumu and a womo geno. Sarkodie a rap it will tree musama or the akwaje. Into a man that will mock us Sarkodie will rap it will tree want to be international award want to be and then when we name Ebiguase. And then when we name Ebiguase. Sarkodie has shown us the way. Obi beka say as a me so asem so that ana me so dodo etie for we nya asem aye so dodo BT hip hop awards the American no me de me hu ne say ngofo ente the American ase the American no ngofo ente ase but I want to find a scenario yem fa ne say akoye say Ghana ha say ye ka say ye ndwuma nkasa e high life njuma e free Ghana e high life what you say inti fane se obroni munti asemu fane se obroni a wono en free Ghana a se be high life no kran en fane ho na wono obroni no esua high life no high life no papa to the extent say Ghana for Afro obroni no ana Ghana award ya free obroni no ama obroni no we winning best high life artist Fanesao best international high life artist Fanese obroni no we win sa de no high life no enfini krum obroni no ono de high life no na wo hua keke to the extent say we win best international high life artist. This is how big it is. America hono wo mo no de hip hop bae na wo ma to nsa fresa akode say hip hop asebe wo ye e wo twi mu e wo Ghana no eso ye ni nti ya wo de say best international flow hip hop na etie for wo hwe sa group ni mu a wo group ni mu no na enye easy South Africa ni Nasty C obi anem say Abrante we wo rap papa no wo wom obi fi France e wom say UK rappers in bi so wom just say wo bi a wo no wo America ho a wo no so oya big artist in America who friend your friends and Tory Lanez Tory Lanez will be our name hip hop music bia any says Tory Lanez we a big musician in America ho or no so no we group name media to be frank group list the babon saying me who Tory Lanez will know the first thing I make can say hey I bet you say Sarkodie be winning because Tory Lanez say one in Crawford baby say Tory Lanez no there one Eminem mo na ehwibo mu Tory Lanez one Eminem mo na sa big musician si na ehwibo mu sa J Cole mu na ehwibo mu what you say media me who Tory Lanez din wo mu no the make can say that be we there e be ye den ama Sarkodie but etie for Sarkodie has won na we eye nyame nsa no I don't care what Obi Beka. I don't care what anyone will say. But for we and this show say for me right now Sarkodie is the biggest rapper, number 1 rapper in Africa. Sarkodie is the number 1 rapper in Africa for me now. Congratulations to Sarkodie. Congratulations to the success music for no. But Mr. we your time and more beba say sebe mo de beshishi obi eni minim say Sarkodie there beef for her. What you say? When you say Sako the beef for, but this is not the time. I will be Babeka say, hey, Mr. Sako the winner. Let's celebrate Sako the and stop the beefing thing. Say you the bedi obi any Mr. Mo. It's for Montreal. Our comment box ni mo me da say.